Hi there, I'm just going to share with you a little video about a 2015 RMZ 250 that I picked up on Marketplace for $800 with a seized engine, and the engine was out of the frame. Everything else was basically there, so once I got it home, inspection, overall condition, not too bad. All there, all the bits and pieces that were meant to be there were there. There's not much missing at all. Engine wise, that was a bit of a different story. There was quite a bit of damage to the engine, which required having the barrel re-nicker sealed, and also a nice surprise when I took the clutch out that the inner clutch hub was missing, missing one of the retaining threads, and also the other one was stripped. It was missing the two bolts and the springs, and you have to ask yourself, how the hell would anyone expect this to work? I presume this is what overheated the engine, and I guess what made the tip fall off the spark plug and slip down the front of the piston and ruin the bore. So the barrel was sent off to Electrocell to be replated, and the clutch hub, I managed to find one at a Wreckers in South Australia, which came complete with springs and bolts, so that was good. And I think from memory it was around about $80. I will check. So I ordered all the other parts and got started on the frame. So the bike our bike and engine got a good detailed clean. Basically just tried to make everything look as new as possible. Repainted mag cover, clutch cover and tappet cover, new cam chain, seals, gaskets, you name it. I threw it all at it. Just a lot of work. So I used truck wash, Stilo pads, Scotch Brights, and a soft brass wire brush, and absolutely scrubbed the crap out of it. It took hours and hours, I tell you. But hey, it came up pretty good considering. Also the same deal on the engine cases. And also mag wheel cleaner. That really helped. So hours of scrubbing and cleaning and polishing, and all this stuff comes together quite nicely. I also electroplated or zinc plated the nuts and bolts myself, which I'll go into maybe in another video. Anyway, look, it's come together pretty well. I wish I could actually really work that fast, but I can't. So yeah, look, come together really well. Just time and effort. And I also, for the first time ever, actually made a set of wheels. Never really done it before. So they came up really well, and I watched a few YouTubes on that, which helped a lot. So yeah, it was great. The engine copped to freshen up, gaskets, seals, anything that was broken was replaced. Obviously the clutch parts, barrel, piston, rings, and also the valves were relapped, and new seals, etc. New cam chain, and yeah, it just came together really well, and it runs really well. So I'm pretty happy with the way that come up. So how did it turn out? Well, here's some pictures from a photo shoot that I did after it was all done. So yeah, it came up bloody nice. So I'm pretty happy with the result. Just on another note, all the plastics were actually just cleaned, polished. They were in pretty good nick, so I didn't see any point in replacing those. And a couple $100 for a kit. I mean, wow. Anyway, that's it. So hope you enjoy that. And so the total cost. The total cost was $3,213.28, and that didn't include, my son painted the hubs for me and also painted the upper fork legs, which, that's my son, mate, so it's a love job. Anyway, so the bike, $800, the parts, $2,413.28. All right, look, thanks for watching. I mean, if you've got this far, yeah, awesome. Thanks for watching. Look, I hope you enjoyed the content. And, if you could like and subscribe to the channel, that would be fantastic. Yeah, I'm just trying to get going, and that would be a great help. So if you can do that for me, that'd be great. If not, hey, have a great day.